Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. So let's talk about Tesla today. So as of today, as we see, Tesla has given a close in 194.77. So as we know that unlike Tesla, Apple gave a higher high closure than the last week, right? So but the Tesla started the week with a lower closure, right? So overall what we see, Tesla movement is bit weak, at a weaker end when it compared to for example like Apple, right? And we also see that Tesla is below EMA 200. Okay, as you know, 200 EMA is usually acts as a filter for a bullish market or a bearish market, right? Again, I'm not talking about that we are in a bear market. I'm just saying that this is kind of a indication whether we should be going long or whether we should be going short. So as you can see very well, EMA 200 was touched on 208 level in the last session of Friday, and as of Monday today, it just opened lower, and it closed at 194.77. So this level will be very important. 208 level needs to be crossed, and as an immediate level we also see the resistance will be acted as 218.15. Okay, also we can see that Tesla has been respecting and working in this trend line, which has started in the month of April 2022, when it reached a level of around 383, and then it touched again and got a rejection at a level which was also very important resistance level around 313. So here we have clearly marked our levels. Okay, so what do we expect next? So next we expect that the market should remain, in order to remain bullish, Tesla should remain in this range. It should not lose 165. Losing 165 will indicate that Tesla is not yet ready to move upward at all. Okay, so it has to respect this two range, which is between 218 and 166. What we see in the RSI, we see that the market is looking good. It is continuously making higher high, higher low. Here one thing we have noticed, that the RSI made when we compare, yeah, it is making higher high, higher low. So we are all good, in this area. Okay, so let's move into the hourly chart time frame and see what we expect in the nearest sessions. Okay, as we said, expected it to remain between 166 and 218. We have seen a major cool off in RSI. Okay, the RSI support is coming up at around, as we see here, 41.35, and we see we did get a bounce from there. Okay, in this levels we have got a bounce. Okay, so let's see if this level survives. Additionally, we can make a case of this particular trend line. Okay, something like this we can make. Again, these kind of trend lines usually do not work a lot. However, they do get respected if we get a good better setup here. So let me, in order to see a better setup, let me go a little bit into the stochastic and see how does it looks like. Okay, so I can see that stochastic has given a move upward, right, which is a good indication that the markets may move up, and soon reach at least to the level of 200. So 200 will be the immediate resistance that we can say, because it is again a psychological level. Let me mark this here. Okay, because last time I tried to break this level, but it went inside this ascending triangle. So we can see that it is within an ascending triangle. Okay, now if Tesla is able to sustain its move above 200, then you may see it as a ascending triangle breakout with the levels as I can indicate it here. We will take around like, yeah, there can be a 20% move that we expect in the coming days, which will kind of be in line with the major trend line that we have here, which is, yeah, more or less 14-15%. Yeah. Okay, so that's all we see in the in the lower time frame. We see it is bullish. Stochastic has turned upward. We can see a ascending triangle breakout soon. However, in the daily time frame, we see it is still below EMA 200. So we would definitely want Tesla to regain above EMA 200 in order to stay bullish. Another case that we see here in the daily time frame, as you can see, that we may make a case of a head and shoulders breakout at, as we see here, it has respected this line, which is 166, and in the past in the left shoulder also it has respected it. So a break above, successful break again above 200 will kind of indicate that the markets will look bullish again for Tesla. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you have a good time ahead, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Okay, we'll see, talk to you later. Bye bye.